Welcome to the DMV Practice Test Pro. Question 1. A motorcyclist should continually scan the road ahead for A. Road conditions, B. Traffic conditions, C. Escape routes, D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. Question 2. A rider's lane position should A. Hide them from other drivers, B. Change frequently to avoid monotony, C. Protect them from the wind, D. Allow them to surprise other drivers. The correct answer is C. Question 3. When going through a curve, you should A. Always stay in the same portion of the lane throughout the entire curve, B. Always stay in the left portion of the lane throughout the entire curve, C. Always stay in the right portion of the lane throughout the entire curve, D. Remember that the best path may not follow the curve of the road. The correct answer is D. Question 4. This sign means A. Sharp turn ahead, slow down, B. Work crew ahead, C. Side road, D. Playground ahead. The correct answer is A. Question 5. Most crashes occur in broad daylight. To be more visible, you should A. Wear brightly colored clothing, B. Wear darkly clothing, C. Ride without your headlight, D. Ride in a weaving pattern. The correct answer is A. Question 6. When riding over rough surfaces, you should A. Hold the hand grips loosely to allow for movement, B. Hold the hand grips firmly to maintain control, C. Use lots of throttle to help you get over the rough surface, D. Ride without a helmet as the helmet could become loose and cover your face. The correct answer is B. Question 7. A motorcycle operator can improve their visibility by A. Wearing darkly colored clothing, B. Turning off their headlight, C. Following another vehicle very closely, D. Wearing brightly colored clothing. The correct answer is D. Question 8. Road users should A. Scan the road ahead of, next to, and behind their vehicles, B. Stare directly ahead of their vehicles, C. Rely only on their mirrors, D. Scan the road, but only when traveling in the dark. The correct answer is A. Question 9. Passengers should A. Lean with the operator, B. Never come into contact with the operator, C. Sit as far back on their seat as possible, D. Hold on to their seat. The correct answer is A. Question 10. When looking through a turn, you should A. Turn both your head and your shoulders to get a better look. B. Turn just your head, not your shoulders. C. Use only your mirrors. D. Only move your eyes, not your head. The correct answer is B. Question 11. In general, when parked on the road, a motorcycle should be A. Parked with both the front and rear wheels touching the curb. B. Parallel to the curb. C. Angled with the front wheel touching the curb. D. Angled with the rear wheel touching the curb. The correct answer is D. Question 12. Distracted riding is A. Extremely risky behavior. B. Very uncommon. C. Nothing to be concerned about. D. No less safe than riding under any other conditions. The correct answer is A. Question 13. This sign means A. Stop sign ahead. B. Lane closed ahead. C. Railroad crossing ahead. D. Traffic signal ahead. The correct answer is D. Question 14. Riding under the influence of any medication which impairs your riding is permitted. A. If the medication is prescribed by a physician. B. If you don't feel drowsy. C. Under no circumstances. D. At all times. The correct answer is C. Question 15. What are the 4 steps to safely completing a turn? A. Slow, shift, look, and lurch. B. Slow, look, press, and roll. C. Press, lean, turn, and grip. D. Shift, lean, tuck, and roll. The correct answer is B. Question 16. When you reach the friction zone on the clutch while starting a motorcycle with a manual transmission, you should A. Roll on the throttle. B. Upshift to a higher gear. C. Downshift to a lower gear. D. Put up the kickstand. The correct answer is A. Question 17. When traveling in a work zone, a motorcyclist should be especially aware of A. Objects in the road. B. Grooved pavement. C. Wet oil. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. Question 18. At a minimum, your street legal motorcycle should include all of the following, except A. A headlight. B. A tail light. C. A brake light. D. A blue light. The correct answer is D. Question 19. This sign means A. One-way traffic. B. Divided highway ahead. C. Two-way traffic. D. Keep left. The correct answer is B. Question 20. When riding a motorcycle, you should wear A. Boots that cover your ankle and are made of a hard, durable material. B. Sandals if it is warm outside. C. Darkly colored clothing. D. Boots made of a soft, comfortable material. The correct answer is A.